Hello everyone, welcome back to Coin Spyder, the channel where small coins hide big stories, big emotions, and sometimes life-changing surprises. If you love coins, history, mystery, and hidden value, then you are in the right place. Today's video is very special, so special that I want you to watch till the end, because missing even one part might mean missing something important. What if I told you a simple 20-cent coin from 1998, a coin many people ignore, a coin that looks ordinary, is being talked about in collector circles with claim values above $503,600? Yes, you heard that right. More than $500,000. Not a gold bar, not a diamond, just a small Malaysian coin. Sounds impossible? Sounds crazy? Stay with me, because this story gets very interesting. Before we go deeper, let me be very clear. This video is not financial advice. We are not saying every 20-cent coin is worth this much. We are not guaranteeing any sale or profit. What we are doing is explaining why collectors are talking about this coin, why some special examples are discussed with very high claim values, how auctions, rarity, condition, and collector demand work. Now let's continue. What is the Malaysia 20? Sen 1998 coin. The Malaysia 20 Sen 1998 coin is part of Malaysia's modern coinage. Key details: country Malaysia, year 1998, denomination 20 sen design, feature hibiscus flower, Malaysia's national flower. At first glance, it looks normal. Millions were minted. So why is it special? That's where the story begins. The hibiscus flower, more than just a design. The hibiscus flower is not random. It represents national identity pride. Strength unity collectors love coins with strong national symbols. But symbolism alone does not create extreme value. So what does? The real reason collectors are watching. In the world of coin collecting, value increases when multiple rare factors come together. For the Malaysia 20 Sen 1998 coin, collectors talk about ultra-rare minting errors, unusual metal composition claims, special strike quality, exceptional condition, museum grade, provenance, documented history, collector hype, and demand auction scarcity. It is important to understand only very few coins may meet all these conditions together. Why this 20 sen coin is not just another coin. At first look, the Malaysia 20 Sen 1998 coin feels ordinary. Many people have seen it, many people have spent it, and many people never thought twice about it. But in the world of coin collecting, ordinary can sometimes be very misleading. Collectors do not look at coins the way normal people do. They look deeper, at tiny details, minting variations, historical timing, and unusual characteristics that most people completely ignore. This is exactly why this coin started appearing in collector discussions. Not because every example is rare, but because some specific examples may carry hidden traits that separate them from millions of others. This possibility alone is enough to create serious interest. How collector thinking creates extreme curiosity. Collectors are driven by curiosity, not just money. When a coin becomes a topic of discussion, it triggers research, comparisons, and speculation. The Malaysia 20 Sen 1998 coin entered these discussions because of its era, its national symbolism, and reports of unusual examples appearing in private collections. Once collectors start asking questions like, why does this one look different? Or why does this coin feel unusual compared to others? Attention grows fast, and when attention grows, demand grows too. This is how coins slowly move from being ignored to being investigated. It is not hype. It is how collecting psychology works, and history proves this pattern again and again. Why rare coin stories often start quietly. One important thing most people do not realize is that big coin stories rarely start publicly. They start quietly, in private collections, small auctions, closed discussions, and expert evaluations. By the time the public hears about a coin, collectors may already be watching it closely. This is why some values seem shocking when they finally come into conversation. The Malaysia 20 sen 1998 coin fits into this pattern. It is not being loudly advertised everywhere. Instead, it is being carefully discussed, carefully observed, and carefully evaluated by people who understand rarity. This quiet attention is often the first sign that something ordinary may not be as ordinary as it seems. Where does the $503,600 plus number come from? Now listen carefully. The value above $503,600 is not a normal market price. It is a claim valuation discussed in elite collector circles based on private auction talks, high asking prices, extreme rarity scenarios, error coin speculation, one-of-a-kind examples. These are not everyday sales, but in the coin world, rarity plus demand plus story can create extraordinary numbers. And this is why collectors are paying attention. Reality check. Let me say this clearly again. Most Malaysia 20s and 1998 coins are worth face value or slightly more. But history proves something important. Many coins that were once ignored later became legendary. Collectors look for the exception, not the average. What kind of 20-cent coins attract extreme interest? Collectors are usually searching for coins with off-center strikes, double strikes, wrong metal errors, missing design elements, proof-like surfaces, mint test strikes, coins never officially released. If such a coin exists from 1998 and it is verified and collectors compete for it, that is where very high claim values come into discussion. Where do coin auctions happen in Malaysia? Now let's talk about auctions because this is very important. In Malaysia, serious coin auctions and collector activity are commonly connected to Kuala Lumpur, the main hub for numismatic events Penang, strong collector community Malaysian Numismatic Society, MNS, events private numismatic auction houses in Malaysia, international auctions where Malaysian coins appear. Some auctions are public, some are invite-only, some are private collector sales. This is why prices discussed publicly and privately can be very different. Why most people never hear about these values. Here is the truth. Extreme coin values usually do not appear on Google, do not appear on normal selling apps, do not involve regular sellers. They happen quietly, between collectors, dealers, auction houses, topics, private discussions. This is why curiosity is growing around this coin. History teaches us something important. Let me remind you, many coins once considered common later became famous. Years ago, some error coins were ignored. Some rare variations were unknown today. They sit in museums. That's why collectors never ignore possibilities. Imagine this for a moment. You open an old box. You see a small 20-cent coin. You almost throw it away. But something stops you. What if, just what if, it is one of those rare examples collectors talk about? That thought alone is powerful. Now here is something very interesting. Right now, auctions are active, collectors are searching, and dealers are watching. If you believe you may have a special Malaysia 20 sen 1998 coin, an unusual example, or any rare coin, write, "I want to sell," or "I want my coin checked." Collectors often read comments. Please remember, not every coin is rare. Not every claim is true. Verification is essential. Professional grading matters. This channel promotes education, not hype. Why this coin still matters, even if the 503,600 plus valuation applies to only a tiny number of coins? The discussion itself makes this coin important. Collectors love mystery, possibility, history, and this coin has all three. I made this video because many people unknowingly own coins. Knowledge protects you. Curiosity opens doors. Coins are not just money. They are stories made of metal. Now it's your turn. If you learned something new today, if this video made you think, if this story touched your curiosity, like this video, subscribe to Coin Spyder, comment your thoughts, share this video with friends, because you never know who might be holding history in their hands. This is Coin Spyder, where small coins reveal big secrets. Stay curious, stay informed, and never ignore a coin, because sometimes the smallest things carry the biggest stories. See you in the next video.